You've probably seen images of enormous elephants with long tusks, large ears that resemble giant fans, and thick, wrinkled skin. But did you know that these magnificent creatures are not just symbols of strength, but also the silent guardians of nature? Elephants are not only one of the largest animals on Earth, but also ecosystem engineers, vital to maintaining the balance of nature. Elephants have extraordinary memories and the largest brain of any land mammal, weighing up to 5 kilograms. They can live up to 70 years, but sadly, their existence is now under threat due to poaching and habitat loss. This article will take you closer to the marvelous stories of elephants, these magnificent beings that play an essential role in the ecosystem of our planet. To truly understand the beauty and wonder of elephants, we must first delve into a crucial aspect of their lives: motherhood. Elephants have the longest gestation period in the animal kingdom, 22 months. After this long wait, an elephant calf is born weighing up to 95 kilograms. What's even more extraordinary is that within hours of birth, the calf is already able to stand and walk. The bond between mother and calf is a living testament to the deep love elephants share. Mother elephants care for their young throughout the early years, protecting them from dangers in the wild. But the relationship doesn't stop at just mother and calf. The entire herd takes part in raising the young, with each member playing a role in the protection and nurturing of the calves. Elephants live in tight-knit communities where every member has a responsibility to look after one another. The calves not only learn survival skills, but also valuable lessons. But elephants aren't just living in the forest. They are vital ecosystem engineers of nature. A mature elephant can consume up to 150 kilograms of vegetation per day, including leaves, grass, and bark. While this may sound like a negative impact, it actually isn't. When elephants consume large trees or break down certain plant species, they help maintain space for other plants to grow. This process helps preserve biodiversity and ensures that plant life continues to thrive. As elephants move through the forest, they also disturb the soil, creating new pathways for other animals to travel. Their actions break up the earth, allowing water to penetrate deeper and revitalize the area, creating fresh spaces for wildlife to thrive. Elephants play an indispensable role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems, ensuring the survival of other species that rely on the forest for their habitat. Despite their importance, elephants face a grave threat. Poaching for their valuable tusks and the destruction of their habitats by human development have pushed these majestic creatures to the brink of extinction. Thousands of elephants are killed each year for their tusks, which are sold illegally on the black market. In addition, human expansion into their natural habitats for agriculture and urbanization has significantly reduced the space available for elephants to live, migrate, and breed. As a result, elephants are forced to move through more dangerous areas, disrupting their migration paths. The shrinking of their habitats makes it even harder for them to survive, leading to a dramatic decline in elephant populations. While the risk of extinction is very real, there is still hope. Conservation organizations, governments, and the global community are working tirelessly to protect elephants. Expanding wildlife reserves and increasing anti-poaching efforts are crucial steps in ensuring their survival. Public awareness campaigns are also essential to educate people on the importance of elephants in the ecosystem and the need to protect them. If we act together, we can safeguard not only elephants, but also the ecosystems they protect. Elephants are not just magnificent creatures, They are silent guardians of the wild, and their protection is critical to maintaining the health of our planet. In conclusion, elephants are not just big animals. They are key players in the survival of nature. They help maintain the balance of ecosystems and are a symbol of strength, intelligence, and compassion. Protecting elephants means protecting the environment and countless other species, including ourselves. Thank you for reading. If you found this article interesting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible wildlife stories and conservation tips. Together, we can make a difference and protect our planet's most remarkable creatures.
Subscribe to my channel.